Hey, this will be a video chart on ENTI. Been getting pretty popular the past couple days, and the price has really started to show some signs of life. I thought this one was pretty much done for, but the bulls have definitely come back into town, as you can see looking down here at the recent volume. So looks like the chart's not ready to quite die yet. The volume did drop off some today, but the price maintained itself, which is an important part. And going forward, there's still quite a few hurdles to get above, but I'm sure nobody's complaining about actually starting to put in some higher highs now rather than just continually putting in lower lows. So the first place I want to start off is kind of what I already pointed out, and that just revolves right down here around the volume. Obviously, that's picked up pace, so something's going on, whether it be news or a filing or something. I'm not real sure, to be honest, but the point being, something good is going on because you're having an increase in volume and the price reaction has gone up. Now, the other thing is just simply supports and resistances. Right now, the key support that I would like to see this chart be able to hold on to now going forward is going to be this 0005 area. This level pretty much comes from these multiple times over here where you can see the price just bounced off it a bunch of times and then acted as resistance a few different times over here. But 0005 is definitely going to be the key area that we want to see hold in terms of support. If it drops below there, then basically it's going to probably head right back down to where it started. So 0005, key level of support. In terms of resistances, the first thing I kind of wanted to point out here was the chart has made a nice move in terms of this right here. You can see the trend line where the price, if you look here, then the trend line knocked it down here, knocked it down right here once again. So this break above this trend line, that's a nice little sign of strength. But going forward now, the level that we're going to want to see the bulls get through is simply this green line right here, which is the 200-day simple moving average valued at 0009. That is definitely the key level of resistance. If there can be a strong volume surge that comes in here, breaks through this level, then seeing the price head up to 0.0012, is not out of the question. It's not unrealistic or anything like that. So definitely the 200-day simple moving average right here is going to be the key level to keep your eye on. Indicator-wise, you can see the RSI heading up nicely. We have a bullish crossover here, the MACD crossing up above the zero line. So from an indicator secondary standpoint, they're looking good too. But the key is going to be remaining above 0005. I'd say that's even more important than getting above this support or this resistance level here, just because with stocks like this, building higher bases is the key. And if the 0005 level can hold, then that will symbolize that bidders are having to bid more on level 2s and that a higher base is really starting to get formed. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was ENTI. Thanks for listening.